How to build a day trading bot. First, define exactly what you want the bot to trade. For example, price breaks above resistance, volume increases, and the price holds above the breakout level. Now you have a clear setup. The bot doesn't guess. It simply checks whether your rules are met. Next, define your entry. For example, if price breaks resistance and your confirmation rules are met, the bot enters the trade. That's important because a computer needs a precise instruction, not buy when the breakouts look strong, instead buy when these three conditions are true. Now define the risk. Where does the bot exit if you are wrong? For example, place the stop below the breakout level. Then define your profit target. Now the bot knows three things: where to enter, where to get out if the trade fails, and where to take profit. Next comes position size. This tells the bot how much to trade. For example, instead of risking your entire account on one trade, you defined a maximum amount you are willing to lose. The bot calculates the position size based on your stop distance. This is where strategy becomes risk management. Before using real money, backtest the strategy. Give the bot historical market data and see how the rules would have performed. Look at win rate, profit and loss, and especially maximum drawdown, how much the account could fall from a peak. Next, run the bot in paper trading. This means the bot trades in a simulated account instead of using real money. Watch how it behaves during breakouts, sideways market, fast moves, and losing streaks. If the strategy survives testing, you are ready for the next step. Finally, connect the bot to a broker through an API. Your strategy creates the signal, the bot calculates the trade, the API sends the order, and the broker executes it. That is the basic workflow behind an automated day trading system. Thank you for watching.